I jump and I jump. Maybe we're going to check out the four-legged shelter. After a 20-minute drive from town, swag! Jumping up and down, muddy paddle. Splish, splash, splash, splish, splash. We took about 10 minutes on this path. Turn left after this pit. We are reached Charity and Anti-Cruelty Animal Shelter. There are more than 2,000 furry friends here. Hey, what are you doing, dude? The stomach is upset. These are the water reserve tanks for the shelter. They pump the water from the earth. Yo! Let's go! Hi buddies, we're here to visit you. This shelter is fully funded by a very kind lady. She's just like the angel Ariel to the furry friends. She spent more than 2 million ringgit to build a lovely home for them. So now, follow us to visit all of them. Joe, I'm so scared. Take it easy, Jura. First time I met so many furry friends and they're very, very friendly. Hello, puppy. You can adopt them and give them a new home. Dog don't shop. You're as cute as Buck's ear. Every time an animal is adopted, a space opens up in the shelter or the rescue. So when you adopt a dog or a cat, not only are you saving that animal's life, but you are also opening up a space for another animal's life to be saved. Now we're entering the more aggressive and defensive area. I feel like I'm just like a celebrity. All the doggies put up the welcome mats for me. Jura, do you know about the dog breeding industry? A little bit heartbreaking to see. Puppy mills are large-scale dog breeding operations that prioritize making a profit over the care of the dogs. The dogs are often kept in less than ideal conditions. Mother dogs are forced to endure multiple pregnancies in a row. In puppy mills, dogs can spend most of their lives in cramped cages with no room to play or exercise. No matter what breed, size, or age you would like, you can find one in need of adoption. Look at the eyes! It's heartbreaking to see that. I'm hoping that today's video will inspire a lot of you out there to adopt and save a loving animal by making them part of your family. Remember, adopt, don't shop. Bye!